Have you ever wondered how the big players consistently deliver top-notch customer experiences and the clients keep coming back for more? Stick around. CSAT surveys might just be the missing piece to your business puzzle. Let's jump right in. CSAT survey stands for Customer Satisfaction Score Survey, which is a commonly used metric that indicates how satisfied customers are with a company's products or services. With Formulu, you can create customizable surveys without any coding. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of creating a CSAT survey with Formulu to gather valuable insights into your customer satisfaction levels, increase customer loyalty, stay ahead of your competitors, and improve customer satisfaction levels. So let's get started. So on our main page, we have multiple different options on how to customize the survey, and these options include a multiple choice option, a drop-down menu, long text, scoring from 1 to 10, and also CSAT ratings, and many more. Now on the design tab, we have the option to show the form as multiple items or single items. You can also shuffle the order of your fields and the choices on those fields. And there's also many different customizations to match your companies, such as changing the color scheme. Next, in the Notify Me tab, we have the option to send the submitted data to their submitter so they have a copy of the responses. Now, for additional help, check out our Helpdesk articles or access our live chat. Our articles are updated regularly, so for new updates, be sure to check it out for the latest news. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.